Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to today, the last video of 2018. I'm called special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. This video is kind of a mixture of beauty and DIY, kind of. Really simple DIY, glitter roots. So if you guys want to see how I did both of these, or really just one of these, kill some time, whatever, then just keep watching. I'm firstly going in by adding $1 as my transitioning color. Then with a secondary fluffy brush, I'm coming in with Lil Boat. This one is by ColourPop. I'm just adding that into my crease to add some definition and to start off the actual makeup. If need be, I'm going back and forth between those two colors to really just get a really nice blend out. Once I've got that blended out, I'm going to be coming in with a packing brush, specifically the ColourPop E1 brush, with the majority of the eyeshadow on the brush being Bitten from Makeup Geek, but with about a tap or so of Lil Boat once again to really just help everything blend better together. Continuing on, I am taking Jewel from NYX, which is a slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme shine eyeliner. That is a long name. I'm just going to be lining my waterline with that, and then just bringing it down ever so slightly below my waterline so it can act kind of as a base. Back in with that packing brush to really just pack on the color onto that base that we just put down, along with being back into Bitten. Then back in with that fluffy brush to just blend and smoke out the bottom lash line. Once I'm done with the eyeshadow, it is time to move on to the glitter and the supernova shadows. So as kind of the first round of the base, I'm going to be coming in with Dragon, which is a supernova shadow from ColourPop. I'm going to be adding that to mostly the inner corner of the eye, just under the waterline where we've added that shadow in lightly, and almost like a wing on the outside. Then, just to add a little bit more security, I'm going to be coming in with the NYX glitter primer over top of what we just put on. Then the glitter. I do have a garbage can just underneath me to catch any fallout or glitter. You can do this one of two ways. You can actually do sections at a time, like your inner corner and then the middle and then the outside, which I find to be easiest because that way I can take my time doing it instead of to try to hurry it up so that it doesn't actually dry down too fast, you know? Now I know this is a lot of glitter, and if you do want to kind of like tie it down a little bit, bring it down a couple notches, it is super easy with just a spoolie brush. And yes, this is still a cluster of glitter, I know, but it's also New Year's makeup, so can you really go wrong with a lot of glitter? I am just going to be quickly adding my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. The supplies you need for this little DIY are super simple. Just something to actually mix the ingredients in with. Some sort of gel. I literally got this from the dollar store for $1.25. And any kind of glitter. Remember, this is supposed to come out, but like, does it really come out because it's glitter? Literally, all you're going to have to do is put some of your gel into whatever container you want to use and just go crazy with the glitter, guys. This is all about New Year's, and it's all about being flashy and shiny and just overall ready for the new year. So it depends on what you actually want to mix together, but any kind of glitter that you mix together is going to create an even cooler effect. Like, look at this hollow, guys. Oh, and then apply. Time for the hair. Now, for this, you're going to want to part your hair literally exactly where you want it to stay for the entire day, basically until you take a shower next. Because this gel, depending on which actual gel you get, this is going to stay probably forever. I need you to be fully aware that the glitter in this gel is probably going to stay for like the next 25 to like 80 years. You're gonna move and it's still gonna stay. You're gonna wash your hair and it's still gonna stay. It's gonna be on your pillow for the rest of your entire lifetime. Just something to be aware of. It's gonna be an awkward day for me because I constantly play with my hair. I'm always going like this. We gonna have to deal with it. Do it for the YouTubes. I'm going to be placing this mixture on both sides of my roots. Now you can totally stop here with what you actually want to do with your hair, or you can go ahead and do a fancy little braid, anything like that. You can put it up, you can put it down, do what you want, girl. The world is your oyster. I prefer to leave my hair down, but if you do want to add like a fishtail braid or something like that, I think that would be super cute for this kind of look. But that is it for this New Year's look, and that is it for today's video, and I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video next year. Alright, bye guys.